Hello everyone, welcome back to Lori's Tech Time. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing these wireless earbuds that I received in a Gadget Discovery Club box. And I did an unboxing on these. If you would like to see that, I'll put a link in the description box down below. And I've already used these, so I can tell you what I think about them. So here they are, wireless earbuds. I am having issues with these. I'm having issues pairing them with my iPad or iPhone. It wants to pair only one earbud at a time because it has a feature to pair only one earbud at a time, and it says that if you take them out exactly at the same time that it'll pair both. But I've tried so many times and I haven't been able to get it to pair both of them. Maybe it's possible, but it's not user friendly to pair them, so I haven't been able to do it. And they fall out of my ears pretty quickly, so I didn't want to take them to the store because I was afraid they would just fall out. So I've actually been using some earbuds that I just bought at the store. So Gadget Discovery Club, you could have did better with this because I'm not even using these earbuds. So hope you do better. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit it now if you haven't done it. Alright, thank you so much for watching.